You don't ruin your life in one day. You ruin it. One small decision at a time. The extra drink. The tomorrow. The message you didn't send. The walk you didn't take. And the scariest part. Nothing breaks. No alarms. No dramatic collapse. Just a quiet drift. But here's the secret they never teach you. The same way you lose your life is the same way you get it back. One small decision today. Ethan Cole didn't feel like a failure. That's the trick. Failures don't always announce themselves with smoke and sirens. Sometimes they arrive as comfort. He used to wake up before the sun, not because he was disciplined, because he was hungry for meaning. He would write a page every morning. One page. That was the rule. A small daily decision. A vote for the person he said he wanted to be. Then life got busy. Then life got loud. Then life got heavy. Without realizing it, he started voting for someone else. Text overlay. Small decisions don't feel like destiny. 5 minutes became 15. 15 became an hour. An hour became a pattern, and patterns become identity. Ethan worked in marketing. A job that paid the bills and quietly drained the soul. Not because it was evil, but because it asked for his best energy and gave him none back. He had a mentor once, Professor Mara Voss, philosophy department, older, sharp.com. The kind of person who could look at your life and describe it better than you could. He hadn't spoken to her in 2 years. Okay, a tiny war inside him. Reach out, stay comfortable. That's the thing about small daily decisions. They often disguise themselves as not a big deal. And not a big deal is how your future gets stolen politely. Ethan alone at a small park bench. Wind, bare trees. Ethan opens a notebook, blank pages. Stares at it like it's accusing him. Shadow falls over the page. Mara. You look like someone waiting for permission. Ethan. Professor. What are you? Mara. I walk here every Thursday. You used to, too. I haven't seen you in a while. Ethan's stomach tightened. Not from guilt, from recognition. Ethan, I've been busy. Mara. Busy is a story people tell when they don't want to say the real thing. Try again. Ethan swallows. Ethan, I've been avoiding myself. Mara. There it is. Mara pulls a coin from her pocket, told, worn. She places the coin on Ethan's notebook. Mara. Most people think life changes with big moments. A wedding, a promotion, a breakdown. But those are just receipts. They prove what you've been buying every day. Mara. Every morning you wake up with a pocket full of coins. Small ones. So small they feel meaningless. And then you spend them. On comfort, on courage, on distraction, on discipline. Ethan, so you're saying my life is just a spare change? Mara, no, I'm saying your life is the sum of what you repeatedly pay attention to. Ethan, I don't have the energy to be some perfect version of myself every day. Mara, good. Because perfection is ego. Consistency is humility. Atlants. Humility. The willingness to be small today so you can be strong tomorrow. That night, Ethan sat in the chair by the window. The same chair where he used to write. Now it felt like sitting across from a stranger. His phone buzzed. Friends going out. A show recommended. 100 tiny exits from discomfort. He stared at the notebook. Mood says you're tired. Identity says you're a writer. He opens the notebook, one sentence, then stops. Ethan, this is stupid. One sentence won't change anything. And right there, that thought is where most lives are quietly lost. Because the truth is, one sentence won't change your life, but it changes your vote. He writes another sentence. His breathing slows. Ethan decides. Today, he'll walk to the park again. Not a marathon, not a transformation montage. A walk. In the hallway, he runs into Jordan, his neighbor, late 30s, charismatic, always doing something. Jordan, yo, Ethan coming out? We're grabbing drinks tonight. You've been a ghost. Ethan hesitates. Ethan, I might pass. Jordan, bro, for what? You've got some secret training arc going on? Ethan laughs, then stops, because it hits him. He does have a training arc. It's just quiet. Ethan. Yeah, something like that. Jordan studies him. Jordan? Damn. Okay. Respect. Just don't disappear forever. People don't fight your growth with hatred. They fight it with familiarity. And suddenly Ethan remembered the last time he felt proud of himself. Not because he won something, but because he kept a promise no one saw. Realized something brutal. He wasn't scared of failing. He was scared of trying again, and discovering how long he'd been abandoning himself. His eyes watered fast like it surprised him. Ethan, I'm sorry, I'm coming back. Text overlay, I'm coming back. Ethan, I wrote 2 sentences last night. Mara, good, Ethan. But it felt pathetic, like I'm pretending, Mara. That feeling? That's your old identity fighting for control. Ethan, so what do I do? Mara takes out a napkin and writes, Mara, rule of 2. When life is heavy, your only job is to do something so small, you can't negotiate your way out of it. 2 minutes, 2 paragraphs, 2 push-ups, 2 pages. Ethan, and that's enough? Mara, it's not about enough. It's about direction. She taps the table. Mara, most people wait for motivation, but motivation is a reward for movement, not a requirement to begin. For the first time in months, he wasn't chasing a new life. He was choosing a new today. 30 days passed. Ethan didn't become a new person overnight. He became a person who stopped betraying himself daily. Some days he wrote 1 paragraph, some days only a sentence. But he never let the chain die. He learned a quiet truth. Your life is not built by your best days. It's built by the days you wanted to quit and didn't. Jordan still invited him out. Sometimes Ethan went. But now he went like a man with boundaries, not like a man begging for escape. His job didn't magically change, but his posture did. He stopped acting like he was trapped. He started acting like he was training. And one morning, he opened his notebook and realized the blank pages didn't feel like judgment anymore. They felt like permission. Ethan stared at himself in the mirror and understood the real philosophy. You are not one decision away from a new life. You are one decision away from a new direction. And direction repeated becomes destiny. He placed his hand on the sink. Ethan, today, I vote for me. He writes 1 line on a sticky note, puts it on the mirror. Small decisions, daily. If you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. Not to change everything, just to change one thing. One small daily decision, because the version of you that you want is built in private by the choices no one claps for. And if this hits you where you live, subscribe. This channel is for people rebuilding from the inside out, one day at a time, one decision at a time. I'll see you in the next story.